To begin the level 1 rolling sequence, lie down on your back and roll over to your right side. Then begin to roll over to your left side. Your goal is to be able to do this exercise with your hands and feet remaining off the ground as you roll through one direction and roll through the other direction. Take your time and master this skill because it will build tremendous core control. Next, tuck your knees into your chest and rock backwards on your back, touching your head to the ground, and then back to your position. Try to get a nice, smooth, controlled roll going, as this will going to be the foundation of all the other rolling drills you're going to do over your shoulder and over your spine. From here, start to learn directional rolling. So kick your left leg up and touch it over your right shoulder. Then your right leg up and touch it over your left shoulder. And go back and forth, alternating sides, to loosen up your spine, and like I said, get you prepared for rolling in levels 2 through 5. For level 2, take your left arm and tuck it through the hole in the kneeling position and roll over your shoulder. From there, backtrack it coming through the exact same direction into the kneeling position. Tuck through the hole, roll over the shoulder, roll back over that same shoulder, and come through into the same position. You need to roll over the shoulder, the arm you're tucking through. So come into all fours, place your hand on the ground, tuck that one through over the shoulder, press off, and roll backwards into that exact same position. Practice this until you're able to roll forward and backward each time, ending up in the exact same position you started in. For level 3, start in a kneeling position, roll over the top of your head onto your feet, and then back over the top of your head onto your feet. Forward and backward, rolling over your spine down the center line, is going to prepare you for the standing rolling positions we do. For level 4, tuck the arm, roll around the shoulders so that you're facing the same direction as you started. So roll over the shoulders and you're facing back towards where you started. So tuck that arm from a side view, tuck the arm, roll over the shoulder blades, bringing your knees around, and then come back to the start position. This Barandi roll eventually becomes faster and becomes a very useful skill when learning to master your movement. The last time, with a little more speed, roll over the shoulder and end up facing back towards the direction you started in. For the level 5 rolling sequence, lie down on your back, lift your legs over your head, drop your knees to the ground, and roll your head underneath your arms to one direction, then underneath your arms to the other direction, rolling your legs back over. The more skilled you get at this movement, the more fluid it will become. Another way to add intensity and difficulty to it is, instead of dropping to your knees, just to let your legs slide out all the way so that you're rolling on your stomach. From a side view, this is what it should look like. On your back, palms toward the sky, use your core muscles to bring your legs over your head and drag your head underneath your shoulder, through the middle, around to the other side, and then bring your body back over to a flat position. Take your time in mastering this movement, it's very challenging. Next, from a standing position, take your left arm and duck it under, and we're going to do a standing roll over shoulder to standing. Coming backwards over that same shoulder, come through to a full standing position. Start slow, master this movement over each shoulder, and then eventually you'll be able to move much faster, doing full standing rolls and full standing dive rolls at a much quicker pace, allowing you the momentum to stand up much quicker. A great way to practice your deep breathing lying on your back is to finish the rolling sequence by performing one front roll onto your spine and letting your spine unfold long, long, long as you come to the ground. From there, to cool down from your workout for the minute or two it takes to do some deep breathing, deep breathe into your stomach, just like we practiced on any of the levels in the breathing sequences. This is a great way to finish your warrior warm-up pattern, and that way you are prepared for whatever workout you're about to start. So roll into a flat back position, find a comfortable long spine position, and then inhale into your belly and exhale. Master that breathing the same way we did in the breathing sequence, and you will have a full, complete warrior warm-up sequence.